Welcome to Session 22. Context problems often contain several valid quantities. Final value, sign change, and total distance answer different questions. Today you will define a zero reference, use final minus initial for change, update a position with a signed movement, and label the requested quantity. A rise is positive and a drop is negative. Final value equals initial value plus change. Signed change equals final minus initial. From -4 degrees to +9 degrees, calculate 9 minus -4. Rewrite as 9 plus 4 to get +13 degrees. The final temperature is 9, the increase is 13, and the distance between readings is 13. Always name which quantity was requested. Evaluate a diver at -18 feet, rises 7 feet. Step 1. Use -18 as the initial position and +7 as the change. Step 2. Add values with different signs. Step 3. Subtract 18 minus 7 and keep the negative sign. Therefore, the final position is -11 feet. Check. The diver rose but remains below the surface. Evaluate elevation changes from +120 feet to -35 feet. Step 1. Use final minus initial for sign change. Step 2. Write -35 minus +120. Step 3. Rewrite as -35 plus -120. Therefore, the change is -155 feet. Check. A negative change correctly represents a large descent. A common error is reporting distance when the problem asks for final position or signed change. Distance is non-negative, but signed change communicates direction. Use the correct method. Underline the requested noun before calculating. Therefore, value, change, increase, difference, and distance must be labeled separately. A morning temperature moves from -7 degrees to +5 degrees. Step 1. Identify initial -7 and final +5. Step 2. Therefore, the temperature increase is 12 degrees. Let us recap. Final equals initial plus change, while sign change equals final minus initial. For a quick check, consider the increase from -7 to +5. 5 minus -7 equals +12 degrees. Keep learning and practicing at bridge2exam.com. Visit www.bridge2exam.com for the full lesson, practice questions, and instant feedback.